It could be a small business problem too. What are some of the common ways small businesses get targeted?
Absolutely. I've got a YouTube channel. A lot of people use TikTok and other video means. So if I can go out to the web and I can get a video or audio clip of someone, then I can take that to my AI system and generate very similar things. So for small businesses, what if I went and I found some audio of you or me, and then someone tries to trick one of our staff members into thinking that it's you telling them to buy some gift cards for employee rewards, or to change someone's direct deposit information, or maybe it's a vendor that you're talking to, and so they call up and say, hey, this is Greg with Braintek, and I need to change my payment information for this invoice that you just sent me, or whatever. But using your voice and or audio or video to trick people is just taking it to a new level, where people were doing it via email before. Now I've got this additional layer, which you think is authentic because, again, this person is reaching out to you and it sounds or looks or both like you.